Kid Danger here, and today we're playing the Slime Rancher. Okay, so I'm going to get something maybe. I want to get this, so I can get really easy skills. Jetpack, yeah, that's what I want. I'm not getting any money at the moment, but wait until I get loads and loads of money. So, if you go down here, you need to buy that jetpack first, like, you can fly. And if you come down here, this is just the tutorial, by the way. This isn't the actual episode. If you come down here, and then come down here. You do not use 4 damage, by the way. Now just wait for your jetpack to recharge. Oh, give me your plot. What the hell? God damn it. Sorry about that background, by the way. This has worked, by the way, I've tried it. Okay, so if you go down there, it requires a slime key. I tried with jetpack and without, it doesn't work without, so get the jetpack 100% true. There's Tabby. Look, you see how I just fell from my height. There's some cute berries. Go. So after this episode, I'm going to do another episode on it. After I've uploaded this. And it's going to be a mod. I have loads and loads of mods, by the way. So stay tuned for that. And I'm going to draw, and I'm going to demo. Look, if you look here, require slime key to open. And if I go over here, jump up here. Look, nice blanket. I'll wait for my jetpack to recharge. And get all the way around here. And just wait for it to recharge again. Come on. And hopefully I can get all the way up here. And if you look down here, there's Tabby, room logos. Oh, my logo. If you go down here, there's more to it, so stay tuned for my next episode when I do mods. Yes, I'm talking about mods. Stay tuned for that while I quickly do this. And peace out.